Can treating hypothyroidism help with snoring? Have you ever wondered if treating hypothyroidism could reduce snoring? This is a question many people ask, especially those who struggle with sleep issues. To understand this, we need to look at how hypothyroidism, snoring, and sleep apnea are connected. Hypothyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones. These hormones play a key role in many body functions, including metabolism and energy levels. When someone has hypothyroidism, they may experience various symptoms, including fatigue, weight gain, and even changes in sleep patterns. Now let's talk about snoring. Snoring is often linked to obstructive sleep apnea, a condition where breathing stops and starts during sleep due to a blocked airway. Many people who snore may not realize that it can be a sign of sleep apnea. Research shows that individuals with hypothyroidism have a higher risk of developing sleep apnea. This connection can be due to several factors. For example, hypothyroidism can lead to weight gain, which is a significant risk factor for sleep apnea. Additionally, changes in muscle tone and airway structure can also contribute to snoring and sleep apnea symptoms. So, can treating hypothyroidism help with snoring? The answer is yes, but it may not be the same for everyone. When hypothyroidism is treated with thyroid hormone replacement therapy, such as levothyroxine, some individuals notice an improvement in their snoring and sleep apnea symptoms. However, this improvement can vary widely from person to person. For some, treating hypothyroidism may lead to a reduction in snoring and better sleep quality. Others might not see much change, especially if they have other factors like obesity that contribute to sleep apnea. If you have hypothyroidism and experience snoring or other sleep apnea symptoms, it is a good idea to talk to a healthcare provider. They can help determine if thyroid hormone therapy could benefit you. Additionally, addressing other risk factors, such as maintaining a healthy weight, is essential. In some cases, other treatments for sleep apnea, like continuous positive airway pressure machines or oral appliances, may be needed to keep the airway open during sleep. In summary, treating hypothyroidism can potentially help with snoring, but it is essential to look at the bigger picture. Regular consultations with a healthcare provider can help tailor a treatment plan that addresses both hypothyroidism and sleep apnea symptoms effectively.